Y'all know what today is. Today is Taco Tuesday. What does it say? What does it, Miss Courtney? What does it do? What does it, Sam? What is it? I don't know what's wrong with her, but she won't get me down because it is Taco Tuesday. A little spit on the end.
This is Whip It Up with Jay, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best tacos you have tasted in your life. And to start, we got a little bit of cilantro, got about like a quarter onion and 2 small tomatoes, and we're going to chop these things up for a little bit of salsa or whatnot that we're going to place on top of our tacos, guys. Really easy. We're just going to chop these up and combine them into a bowl. All right, now that we got everything into this bowl, we're gonna take this lime and slice it right down the middle. I'm gonna use about half of this lime here, and I'm gonna squeeze those juices into our little salsa we got going right here in this bowl. I'm gonna mix it up with a spoon, put it to the side, ready to go for our taco. All right, now let's move on to the protein, the start of the show. I have myself a chicken breast. It's a little bit thick, so I'm gonna slice it down the middle, just for a little easier cook on it. Just slice it right down the middle, and that's that. Really easy, guys. All right, and as far as our seasoning, we have a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We also have 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half a tablespoon of paprika. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these seasonings and combine them all into one bowl, stir them up, and we're gonna rub it into that chicken. We're gonna rub that flavor all up in that chicken. And we are going to be very generous with the seasoning, guys. A wise man once told me, no color, no flavor. So we are going ham with this seasoning. We're gonna make sure this chicken is well coated, guys. I don't want no bland looking chicken. My chicken guy, if my chicken don't look like this, I don't want it. You can have it, take it back to the kitchen. I don't want it. All right, I got a little bit of oil in this pan. Got the temperature to about medium high, and we're gonna get a nice sear on both sides of this chicken, guys. And you know, you don't wanna constantly turn your chicken. You only wanna turn it once. So look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that crust. That's what you want. Don't play around with the chicken. Let the chicken sit, let the chicken cook, all right? You don't want to play around with it. Just let it do its thing. So I'm only going to turn it once. I got the pan at medium high. We're cooking it at about, what, 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And then what I'm going to do, damn, wow. Look at that. Do you see what I'm seeing right now? Do you see that crust? After cooking it about 5 minutes on each side, I'm going to take these and toss them in the oven at about 400 degrees. And then we're moving on to the most important part, guys. I have some chicken broth. I have some hot sauce. You might be thinking, what I'm about to do with this? We're about to pour that chicken broth into this bowl here. I eyeballed it. It's about maybe half a cup. So we got our chicken broth, and look at here. We about to take some hot sauce and dump some hot sauce. That sprinkling stuff wasn't enough. I had to take the top off. And we're gonna put a whole bunch of hot sauce into that chicken broth. We want that chicken broth to be bright red. Look at that. That's not enough. That's not enough hot sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dump some more hot sauce up in that thing. We're gonna make that into a bright red. And you might be thinking, what am I doing with this sauce? What is this? What is this chicken broth with hot sauce? Let me tell you, this is the secret. This is the secret right here. This is what's gonna take your tacos to the next level. We're taking that tortilla and we're dipping it in that sauce right there. We're dipping it in that sauce. We're soaking in all that flavor. Chicken broth and hot sauce, guys. Do you hear me? We're just gonna dip it in there, and then we're gonna get our pan. We're gonna get our pan pretty hot. I would say about medium high or so. Got our pan pretty hot, and we're not gonna totally cook or burn this tortilla here, but we're gonna get it nice. We're gonna get a nice color on that tortilla. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna cook that tortilla on each side, and then we're gonna put it to the side, ready for plating. All right. All right, so this chicken has been sitting in the oven for about 10 minutes or so at 400 degrees. And look at this beautiful chicken, guys. Remember what I said, no color, no flavor? You don't have to question this chicken's integrity right now. Look at this chicken, guys. Full of flavor, juicy, delicious chicken. My goodness. So all I'm doing is chopping up this chicken. You can chop it as fine as you want, but I like them big old chunks in my taco. I don't want them little shredded chicken bites in my taco. I want the big chunks in my taco. So I chopped it up fairly big. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna build this taco up. It's a fairly simple taco, but when I say it's packed with flavor, it is stuffed with flavor. I can't even put it in words. Like, It's so good. Something about that tortilla with the chicken broth and the hot sauce, man, it just does something that it takes it to the next level. No bland tortillas over here, okay? No bland tortillas over here. It's just, my God, these are the best tacos I have ever tasted. I kid you not. I can't wait for you to try these at home. These are so good. Look at that juice dripping. Look at me. It was so good. I'm not even playing. It was so good. I hope you try it at home. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the notification gang, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye, guys.